It's another Sunday morning here in Bengaluru. I am at Adi Shakti dealerships of Tata Motors. The reason is that we are having a Nexon EV drive starting here from the showroom all the way across to Nandi Hills. The aim is that we should be covering the distance from Bengaluru to Nandi Hills, and whoever completes the challenge with the most range will be the winner. So in this video, I am going to take you guys through this process and let you know who the winner is and what is the capacity of this Nexon EV.
Before the start of the drive, the customers had an opportunity to have a conversation and also share their experience with each other at the showroom while waiting for all the owners to join and at the same time enjoy the refreshments offered by Adi Shakti Cars. Once all the owners were ready, we had a small briefing session from the marketing head of Adi Shakti Cars, Mr. Aditya, about the event, and the rules of the competition was explained.
The lead car, okay, which will be our Nexon EV test drive vehicle, and followed by the last car will be one of our Harrier, okay, just as a backup with all our stuff.
In order to make this a fair competition, all the customers agreed to drive their respective Nexon EVs without turning on the air conditioning unit as the weather in Bangalore was cool. After the completion of briefing and noting down the details of each car, such as their existing battery percentage, range remaining, all the 12 EVs lined up in front of the showroom in one straight line, and soon the event was flagged off. As we started off and headed on the open roads, it was so pleasing to watch all these environmental friendly Nexon EVs breeze through the national highway effortlessly. It was definitely a head turner for many passerbys and also one of those drives which helped to create an awareness among the people and encourage them to shift to electric vehicles. For starters, the Nexon EV is powered by a 130.7 bhp motor that is connected to a 30.2 kWh battery. This motor is capable of producing 127 bhp of power and a max torque of 245 Newton meters. With one full charge, Nexon EV is claimed to travel a distance of 312 kilometers. We have done the full review of this vehicle and also had a conversation with the marketing head of Adi Shakti Cars to know more about the Nexon EV. You can check out that video by clicking on the I button on the top right corner of your screen right now. Speaking about the variants in which you can buy this Nexon EV, the vehicle is offered in 3 trim levels, namely the XM, XZ Plus and the XZ Plus Luxury variant. Speaking about the price of the Nexon EV, the vehicle starts at 13.99 lakhs for the base XM variant and goes all the way up to 16.25 lakhs ex-showroom for the top of the line XZ Plus Luxury variant. Do note that the electric vehicles are exempted from the road tax which you would usually pay for all the internal combustion engine vehicles. As the route consisted of one toll, it was decided that we shall stop soon after the toll so that the entire convoy can be maintained, and once all the vehicle assembled, it was time to get rolling again. As we turned towards the foothills of Nandi, it was just a scenic beauty, and those long standing trees looked as if they welcomed the fleet of Nexon EVs. But as we neared the destination, the traffic piled up at the entrance and soon it came to a standstill. Unfortunately, we were not able to make it to the top, even though the police department had allocated a dedicated parking slot for all the 12 Nexon EVs on top of the hill. After getting to know that the road was completely blocked and there was no other way to get on top of the hills, we had no other option but to turn back and head to Nandi Upachar, where the complimentary breakfast had been arranged. Soon after, it was time to call it a day and announce the winner and runner-up for this Nexon EV Mileage Challenge. As we had travelled a distance of 64 kilometers, the same was considered and the winner was announced by Mr. Jai Surya from the EV department of Tata Motors head office.
So today, I think we have a clear winner. I'll announce the runner-up.
Let's first tell them the process how we calculate.
Okay, I think I need Anil.
So we keep it very simple. Just the kilometer runs and the range associate consumed, and the least range which get is 237, the least, and the highest range we got is 304. But to be happy, because most of the customers are like 270, 260, 270, 280, somewhere in between. So the runner-up is Mr. Sriram Vardarajan. So he is not here. He came here and then he left from this.
Anyway, a round of applause for him, Sriram.
So he achieved a rate of 290.
But how much percentage?
So he consumed 22% in 64 kilometer drive. We had a 64 kilometer drive. So in that he consumed 22%. Winner?
And the winner.
Any guess?
Of India's first ever EV mileage rally is Mr. Arun Somaya.
But the competition was very tough.
Competition was very close actually.
Yes, it's very close.
290, 280, and the winner was
Sir consumed 21%.
Please come, sir. Please come.
This is a beautiful gift hamper from Taj Agiro. Thank you.
Thank you. I think all of your inputs and my 11,000 kilometer run.
During this period, Mr. Jai Surya also shared how Tata Motors is dealing with the electric vehicles and what are the steps that the company is taking towards improving them.
I think when we bought this or when we started this journey, we were saying that it is our responsibility, the Tata Motors responsibility to build an ecosystem for EV in this country, and together we will grow. And as part of that, Bangalore just finished 300 units. So we have 300 Nexon EVs in Bangalore. And we will soon start this month. By end of this month, we will start hitting 350. And this journey is going upwards. You guys are already in touch with us. The feedback that comes to us either through Sneha or directly with Mr. Anand Kulkarni himself. We've had a couple of interactions for which you're seeing some changes in our software updates and things. So we would like to be that. We would like to be that company or that first automobile company who's taking the feedback and implementing it as early as possible so that the customers are very happy.
After winning the challenge, Mr. Arun shared a few tips and tricks on how to increase the mileage of the Nexon EV.
Nexon EV is definitely I would say technological product and exposure to Indian consumers at a price point that they made this available is phenomenal. A similar car with a similar technology, if I want to buy it, I should shell out another 10 lakhs. So that I think is the first success for Tata Motors, and I think that's what is the best thing about this car. With the version 2.0, that software package that has come in, many things are out. That's phenomenally different. Now, last to my fellow EVs, you may all be thinking, oh, this we should really drive very slowly to get this kind of a mileage. Otherwise, this only gives 180 kilometers to 200 kilometers. There are a lot of arguments about this up and down. This one. Electric vehicle is slightly different from ICE vehicle. One important difference is the region. In ICE vehicle, there is no concept of region. So you go, there is a hump, you press brake, just after the hump, you accelerate, the car goes. But here, there is an advantage of region. So if you want to maximize it, you get the maximum mileage of it. If you want to drive like ICE, you can get still 180 kilometers. There's no problem. But if you want to go 250 kilometers, you better know that region you have to use. And that's not just for saving power. What finally we have all bought this EV is for the love to the nature. For the love that we want to use least power and have the least footprint in this world. So region also does that. So please maximize using the region keep posting, keep the momentum of the car going, and we all can get that kind of a mileage from this car. There is no problem with the car. I also have gone to 170 watt-hour consumption, 180 watt-hour consumption, 250 even. Putting on sports mode, if I drive like crazy, I can even do 250 watt-hour consumption. But I can also do 100. So the power is with you in this car. So if you want to make the car work like a performance car, please go ahead. If you want to use it like an economical car, saving nature, saving the drive, saving others in the road. Right? For me, when I go down the guard section, I do not apply brake. You may be laughing at me when I'm saying this. I only use region. And in all my guard sections, I have seen that 1000 meter of drop of elevation will gain 10% of battery. 10% in 1000 meter drop. And this everyone can make a note. I mean, it will happen. So if you're climbing 1000 meters, you will lose 10% more than you actually go. So physics is not broken. So if you are going 20 kilometers uphill, you will consume 20%. But when you are going downhill, all that 20 kilometers is free, plus you get 10%. So that is the equation.
So actually you consume 20% only.
Yeah, you consume only 20%.
Oh, 10% in fact.
No,
20 come
20
so 10% we reach in. So ultimately we consume 10%
only.
For a 40 kilometer drive.
Or 40 kilometers. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Now it was time for the group photo and also the time to hand over the gifts for all the Nexon EV owners who had participated in the event. At the end, it was time to get the testimony of the few owners who had participated in the event.
About today's experience.
Hi.
Your overall vehicle experience also you can share.
Hi, this was a great time today. We had a great time. This mileage challenge. Unfortunately, I didn't win because of my driving, I guess. Yeah, and all the kids in the car. But it was great. I think I did well though. And it was a beautiful day experience. I love the car, and I look forward for more drives like this, which will help me meet more Evians so that we get more knowledge about the car and the way we drive and everything about it. So it's a good drive to be in, and all the best. Yeah, see ya.
So please share your experience about today's rally. How was it? And your vehicle experience also.
Yeah, actually it was really good because we were like anticipating or we were expecting these kind of things to happen much earlier, but better late than never. So this started on a good terms and we really had a fun ride, and it was more than a ride, it was kind of a get together of these EVs, and it was a good rally, and I would expect more to come in the next year because we are ending this year on a good note. So that is something which I like. Regarding these EVs, there needs much awareness with other crowds, and people need to buy more EVs to support the environment and these environmental changes. So I would definitely also think that this was kind of a awareness rally as well. So it was really good. So I hope to continue this journey and keep meeting these people because we have formed a group now. We know each other well, and when we do this kind of trips and this kind of a get together, we will get to explore things. And since we have people around, we will also have some motivation and experiences to share. Thank you.
It's these kind of events that truly uplift the overall ownership experience and also help the customers to get to know each other and plan such events in the future, and at the same time create awareness among the audience about the EVs and the benefits of owning it. Before winding up this video, I would like to thank Adishakti Cars and Tata Motors for providing us an opportunity to be a part of this event and bring it in front of you. And by the way, if you have liked the content, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, which would give us a loads of encouragement to bring more such awesome content in front of you. And also, don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any of the videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.